Hello, I'm Dr. Sheryl Genco, the Vice President of Advanced Technology and Industry Group at Ericsson. I'm also on the Executive Committee of the National Spectrum Consortium. I'm delighted today to be speaking with Sanaz Naderi, a Ph.D. candidate in electrical engineering at Florida Atlantic University. Sanaz is one of the winners of NSC's inaugural Women in Spectrum Scholarship. The program promotes the academic accomplishments of female students studying electrical engineering at U.S. ABET-accredited universities. We designed this program to help develop the pipeline of talented women engineers working on issues related to spectrum and communications, and are thrilled to support this year's winners in that work. Sanaz, how are you today?
Thank you so much. I'm great. How are you?
Thank you. I'm well. Can you just tell us a little bit about why you became interested in studying electrical engineering?
Actually, well, I love math and I wanted to study a major that has a lot of mathematics. And also, electrical engineering is known as one of the top majors that greatly impact our life by creating systems to benefit society, such as improving communications, helping to save people's life with medical equipment, and also so many other useful technologies.
Well, that's very interesting. When I started in electrical engineering is also because of my love of math. So we definitely have that in common. So what about spectrum and wireless technology? What about that interests you?
Actually, wireless communication and wireless technology play such an important role in our lives that we can't even imagine a day without the internet these days. Wireless communications have enabled millions of people to communicate over the internet. A good example I can mention is the COVID period when everything was locked down. At that time, classes, exams, meetings, and even shoppings were all online. So at that time, not only we could save lives with wireless technology, but also we could continue our business and study with the help of wireless technology by accessing the web from almost anywhere.
That's fantastic. I'm wondering if you have a few minutes to just tell us a little bit more about your research on agile waveform design and next generation wireless networks.
Yeah, actually, currently I'm working on different projects. The first one is interference avoiding space-time waveform design for MIMO systems, and also another project is about localization using real data collected in the lab from a massive MIMO base station. And also for interference avoiding waveform design, actually we are trying to provide directional connectivity that can maximize the maximum achievable SINR at the output filter at the receiver.
Wow, that is terrific. I am so proud of you. That is just really a fantastic body of work, and you haven't even finished your schooling, so that's great. Um, do you have any suggestions or any ideas as why how we can get maybe more young women studying engineering or other people in general studying engineering, and what we can do to make this happen?
Actually, I'm aware that there are only a few young women are going to study electrical engineering, and I think the problem is their confidence. I believe women may be less confident about their abilities since electrical engineering is a traditionally male-dominated field. So also young women see only a few women going into the electrical engineering field, so they have fewer role models to follow. I think what we can do here is we need to create more opportunities to introduce young women to the electrical engineering field. Also, we need to build more successful women in electrical engineering, or we can make a movie about their success story to let young women have more role models in this field. And also the critical point here, I think we need to help them to believe in their abilities and let them remember how capable they are. And I believe this is the perfect time to become an electrical engineer for young women, since we don't have many women in this field. So there are a lot of excellent opportunities to catch up.
Well, Sanaz, I think that's absolutely wonderful, and you have a wonderful career ahead of you, and I am certainly going to reach out to you in the future to help me and the other members of the National Spectrum Consortium in our sort of a mission to get more engineers here in the United States, more engineers, both male and female. And so I look forward to working with you on those projects in the future.
Oh,
And
great.
thank you again.
Thank
Yes,
you
thank
so
you
much.
again for applying for the scholarship, and congratulations on being a winner.
Thank you so much for believing me, and this is an incredible experience for me, and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much.